How to sell Bitcoin on Binance and transfer to bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sell Bitcoin on Binance and transfer to bank. The first thing you want to do is open the Binance app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now make sure to sign into your account. Also, make sure to complete your identity verification. Now, to sell Bitcoin on Binance, you want to select on the fiat and spot option. Then, from there, you want to select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now over here, you want to select the option of sell. Then in the market, you want to choose the fiat currency you wish to receive, for example, USD, Euro, or your local currency. Now you want to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, then confirm the transaction. After you sell the Bitcoin and you want to withdraw it to your bank account, then you want to head over to the wallet option. Now you want to choose the fiat currency you converted your Bitcoin into. So if you chose USD, select USD here as well. Then enter your bank account details, input your bank account information, IBN account number, or any other required details. Then you want to choose the transfer method. Select the withdrawal method supported in your region, such as bank transfer, SEPA, or SWIFT. Double check the details and confirm the withdrawal. Wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.